Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Roblox thumbnail. As you guys can see, which is on my background computer here. I just really like it, but I'm going to show you guys how to make this thumbnail. So the first thing which you want to go on is you want to go on Google Chrome. So yeah. You're gonna go to Google Chrome. Here we go. But you wanna go to Google Chrome, and you want to go to you wanna search up Canva, I believe it's called Canva, maybe. I don't know. But you want to search up Canva, and yeah. After you go to Canva, after you search up Canva, which is C-A-N-V-A, you want to go to Canva official site. So after you're on the site of Canva, it will show you if you already have an account, it will show you up here in the corner to put in your username or email and password. But if you don't have an account, then it will tell you to just sign up right here. But I already have an account, so I'm gonna just log in. So yeah. So after you have signed in or logged in, these are all my creations. As you can see, I just started on this because I found another YouTuber do this. I will put the link in my description if you want to go to there. But yeah, that's how I found out how to make it. But I'm going to show you guys my way of making my thumbnail. So basically, what you want to go to is you want to go to create a design right here. Now my name is not Mackenzie. But after you go to create a design, you can just pick any one you want, but I will pick this one right here, which is YouTube thumbnail, and that has 1,280 pixels and 720 pixels. So yeah, which is a YouTube thumbnail. Now I really have to hurry up with this video because this only goes to about like 15 minutes since I'm going. I'm not. Yeah. So now what you want to do is you want to like space it. I see a lot of people do this, but sometimes I just think it's unnecessary to do this, but you guys can do this. So after you have did that, you want to go to backgrounds. Either you can look up backgrounds on here, which has their own backgrounds, or you can upload your own photos. You can see that I uploaded some photos here. So, yeah. I don't really, wait, actually, I can upload a photo, because I know what photo I'm going to do. So after you have uploaded the photo, this is the photo, either you can drag it or you can click it. I'll drag it. After you've dragged it, then you want to space it out. So yeah. So after you have spaced it, now what you want to do is you want to either you can add like little ROBLOX characters. So yeah, but I'm gonna go on Google and I'm gonna go search up some ROBLOX characters. So yeah. Also, what I forgot to tell you guys is you need to search up ROBLOX characters transparent. So yeah, like this. So now what you want to do is you want to click on a transparent background ROBLOX character, and it should be transparent, like this. So then you want to right click, and you want to, after you right click, it should say open image, save image, copy image address, blah blah blah. You have to click save image as. So I'm going to keep on saving some characters that I like, and I'll get back with you guys. So now that you have saved all of the images that you want, now you want to go back to the site, and you want to upload all of them to your files. So yeah. So after you have uploaded the images, this is the one that I added. Now you want to crop them. So I'll get back with you guys once I put them where I want them. So after you have got the ROBLOX characters where you want them, now you want to add a text right here. So I'm going to click on the text and add the text. So this is what my thumbnail looks like, and now I get to add any icon I want to down here. You don't have to add an icon, this is just optional. So yeah. So after you have saved did the thumbnail. So after you have done the thumbnail, I already add the icon things. So after you have done the thumbnail, now you want to download it. And you want to download it file type PNG. So yeah. Anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. If you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, bye guys.